everyone, Snitika here and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I will show you how you can create this very easy foxy eye look. So if you're interested, then let's begin. First, I will take this shade from the palette and then apply it in the shape of a wing. Before applying the eyeshadow, I have prepped my eyes by using concealer and then setting it with some loose powder. I am also wearing a sticky tape as it makes so easy to create an outer wing. Then I will take this shade from the palette and apply it above the other eyeshadow as to intensify it. Then with an angle brush, I will create an outer wing using the gel eyeliner. This doesn't have to be perfect because we will be smudging it afterwards using other eyeshadow. If you do not have a gel eyeliner, then I would suggest you to use some black eyeshadow or some kohl in your eyes. Then I'm going to take this dark brown kind of shade from the palette and with the help of a round brush, I will smudge the outer wing. As I remove the tape, you can see it gives such a beautiful sharp look. Then I'm going to use this liquid eyeliner by L18. I'm only going to use this liner to apply it on my upper lash line and I'll just create an inner wing with it. It is totally optional to use a liquid eyeliner. You can also use a pen eyeliner or a gel eyeliner. I am using this eyeliner because mostly everyone has the liquid eyeliner. Because this video is made for beginners and most of the beginners have liquid eyeliner with them. Again, I'm going to take some gel eyeliner on the angle brush and I'm going to intensify the outer wing. We will blend it in that way so that it mixes with the liquid eyeliner. This blending doesn't have to be perfect as we will be wearing eyelashes afterwards. Then I will apply this gel eyeliner on my lower lash line. If you want, you can also use kohl, that is kajal, on your lower lash line. Then again I will take this shade on a flat brush and I will apply it above the gel liner that is on my lower lash line. Then I will apply some mascara on my upper lashes and lower lashes. You can see I'm applying the mascara on the outer part of my lashes. So this part is the game changer. You just need to cut 2 to 3 strands from the inner part of the lashes. Before cutting the lashes, just place the eyelash on top of your lashes and then towards the inner side you can see 2 to 3 strands from there and just cut them off. After cutting them, you can see I am sticking it on the outer part of my lashes. You can use tweezers to apply them, but I am more comfortable with my fingers. I will wait for it to dry out and then come back and show you the final look. So that's it for today guys. I hope you got some basic idea how to create a foxy eye look. If this video was helpful to you in any way, then please like the video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please comment down below and let me know if this helped you or not, and also let me know what other looks you want me to create it for you. Till then, take care. Bye bye.